This is our second video on replacing a screen on a Fujitsu LifeBook model U7411, and in this one we'll also be using Sugru putty to rebuild its bezel. Please see the link in the description for the original shorter video with the LCD replacement only. To begin, use a plastic pick to separate the parts of the broken bezel. The top comes off easily, but the bottom part is quite challenging. Flip the laptop over and use a plastic pick to open the bottom edge tabs. Flip it back over and pry away the bottom edge. Bottom tabs may snap back in. Position the display at the correct angle and pull out the plastic bezel. Remove 2 phillips screws in the bottom corners. Slide the screen down to free the top clips. Put the screen on the keyboard. Using a plastic pick, pop open the video connector securing bracket, and using both hands, gently separate the video cable from its jack. Set the computer aside and focus on the old LCD screen. We'll need to transfer all the foamy supporting pieces that help to cushion the screen in place. Use a metal spudger to separate the corner mounting pieces that are attached on adhesive pads. 4 corner pieces in total. Place the new screen on the desk and wipe the corners clean with rubbing alcohol. Replace the 2 foamy pieces and replace the metal mounting pieces in the 4 corners. Place the new screen on the keyboard and using both hands, carefully plug in the video cable into the jack. Close the connector bracket. Caution, it is very important not to force any of the connectors. As well, make sure not to twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Flip the screen up and test the new screen. It appears to be working and we can continue the installation process. Clip the screen mounts into the top edge and replace the 2 phillips screws in the bottom corners. Replace the bottom part of the bezel. It helps to remove the hinge covers. Use a plastic pick to pull the bottom bezel piece in place from below. Clip in the corners. Replace the hinge covers. Clip in the top piece of the broken bezel. Remove the protective film. Make sure the top piece of the bezel is still firmly clipped in. We will be using Sugru putty to recreate the sides of the bezel to better protect the new screen. Sugru is a crafts product that has many uses. It comes out soft and moldable and cures into a rubber-like silicone substance. Clean the edges of the display assembly with rubbing alcohol. Cut a small chunk of Sugru and form it into a long noodle. Roll it on the desk and try to keep a consistent thickness. Apply the noodle onto the display assembly on the right side. Use a metal spudger to spread Sugru into the edge. Apply another noodle onto the left edge of the display assembly. This is more craft than science, and sculpting or pottery experience will definitely be an asset in this repair. You can try various tools to mold the Sugru into a professional finish, keeping in mind that the early curing time is about 10 to 15 minutes. We're trying to achieve a good look here, but it's not an exact science. Use a metal spudger to form a nice clean edge on the inside of the screen. Use a plastic sheet to get rid of fingerprint ridges in the Sugru. Clean up the edges with metal spudger. The final curing time is about 24 hours. The new screen is working and hopefully will last longer than the previous one. And we're done.